Corro. ¡Ay! ¡Yo
Sorry.
Community centers and clubs.
¡Mierda!
Ya está,
Working places.
Work
in
in
change.
places.
Yeah.
Vale, change. Bueno, ¿quieres que siga?
Like theaters.
Sí, bien.
Theaters. Hotels.
You name
Con coma.
work.
You are in the middle.
Ah, no.
Cruise ships.
Also, work.
Ah,
Main. Ah, no, pero main.
Community center and
Sí, es main, es main.
Monday.
Main. Sí, main. Ah.
Pass the word.
A festival.
I'm
How
so
about myself?
dynamic before
I told you about
because I
myself.
can.
I have empathy.
So,
I can.
yeah,
I can work
I'm
with
people.
I have mental skills.
I'm very punctual.
And
I can work.
sharing work here in London.
I'm
so
very.
I
I
will
want
know
to know
no,
everything about.
more about myself.
About Western everything that I'm doing. I am very creative, very comprehensive. I was volunteer. I know that the solidarity is a professional skills that everybody have to
Because I have
have
autonomy.
to have.
¿Cómo te consideras?
coming.
I close.
Yes. Hello, good morning, Lydia, no?
Yes.
Okay. Well, tell me about why you're a candidate, a perfect candidate for this job.
I'm a good candidate because I think that I can work as a team member properly, and also I have good communication skills. Like, for example, I am assertive, or I have different knowing about languages like French or English.
Okay. Tell me about your personal skills, about general.
I am a responsible person. Also, I am very organized, and I can deal with people.
Okay. Tell me about your education.
I studied baccalaureate, and now I'm studying a high bed, where I am learning how to dynamize activities, leisure and free time activities.
Okay. Well, that's it. Thank
Okay.
you for coming.
Okay.
Bye.